This is where we're actually building our own software platform to make the world more accessible, or again, from a natural disaster perspective, be able to amalgamate or culminate all the data into one platform, right? So you might have, like, after a hurricane, 10,000 drones operating in that area. Where are you going to view and share all the data, right? You need some sort of platform, almost like what Tesla Autopilot is built on top of, right? Where all of the vehicles are contributing to that one central database that makes all of the vehicles then smarter, able to navigate autonomously more effectively. So this is just a quick look at, and this is actually an older look at that platform, and zoomed in. You could, like, again, set like an area on the map, and for a natural disaster scenario, you could say, hey, I want to send out my drone, and just I want you to, like, drop a pin on the map wherever a person is detected, right? But then again, from like a more consumer perspective, if anyone has like a dog, you know, that's gone out of the yard and you have to like drive around the neighborhood, you gotta look for it. Not to say you want to also do that, but you could also just set your drone up, you know, to go automatically map out your neighborhood. You type in dog into the search bar, or upload a photo of your dog, and you know your drone could automatically go search for that. And you know, in a more commercial setting, if you're a roofing company, hey, I could go map out a whole neighborhood of roofs with my drone, automatically get all the measurements from those roofs, automatically detect all the damage, and then I could go door to door, you know, offering, you know, a special rate because of, hey, now you're doing a whole neighborhood of homes at one time instead of just one, or even just more effective, more efficient, do it one at a time using a drone instead of getting a person to go up, get all the measurements, detect all the damage, right? So hopefully you guys take what you have heard here and, you know, think about how it could be applied outside of natural disasters as well. But of course, that's what most of this is built around.